in Rome, Italy, in Europe.
We are excited to participate at the Climate Action Challenge because we want to save the Earth together. Our planet is in trouble because of global warming. Let's talk about what is happening. Let's start with all this extreme weather. Hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunamis, forest fires, freezing weather and heat waves. Flooding and droughts are reaching record-breaking strike and frequency. This is all with 1 degree Celsius of global warming. Just think when water heats up, it expands and this causes ocean level to rise. Warmer air temperature also cause polar ice caps to melt, which makes sea levels rise and more. This is terrible for people that live in coast, because the sea level make coastlands and from floods, hurricanes and tsunamis at a more dangerous level. So why this is happening? The ice caps are melting, and when the freshwater ice melts, sea level rise and oceans become less salty and change currents.
North and South poles have too much water, and when this melts, the earth becomes warmer.
The ice caps are home to the Arctic animals, but as they melt, the ocean currents change. The sea animals need to find a new home or they will die.
The ice caps are melting and the seals are going away, so the polar bears can't eat and they will die. As rain falls and snow melts, water falls downhill and into the sea. Sea levels rose 6.7 inches in the last 100 years, but in the last 10.
Ocean regulate climate and cover 70% of the earth.
3% water is fresh, and 70% of this fresh water is frozen. When glaciers melt and flood the fresh water into oceans, the animals are in danger.
This is the project of ocean rising. This is the ocean of inside there was island. All part is frozen.
The big problem is that humans create too much pollution in the water, in the ground and in the air. Also fishing and deforestation endanger animals. Global warming also increases the danger of drought and fires. The orangutan is the only ape in left Asia's rainforest.
Mouth leave home when the Arctic ice sea turtles eggs beaches and rising sea leaves conquer them.
Warming depths drive Arctic foxes, northern to forest. 3,000 tigers remain because their prey and the habitats are destroyed by global warming.
A scary fact: rainforest could be gone 100 years.
Forestry and agriculture are responsible for 24% greenhouse gas emissions. This is a big cause for the climate change. When the trees cut, they release CO2 and can't absorb the gas to make the earth warmer.
Forest private habitats 18% of plants and animals on land. 4,600 species go extinct in every year. Allora sto punto. Fatto.
Pollution. Human activity and overpopulation are causing much pollution. This can affect our health because of smog. Greenhouse has too much smog. We have to change the weather. Help to work together. Business build fossil fuel for industry and release CO2, and this raises temperatures. We need to reduce, reuse, and recycle because there it is too much waste.